So first we're going to write out the actual formula, which is x equals negative b plus or minus the square root of b squared minus 4ac all over 2a. Now we need an actual equation to solve for. So it's going to be x squared plus 2x minus 3 equals 0. Now it's already set in a standard form for us, so we don't need to move anything over or change the placement of any of it. Now we're going to identify our a, b, and c values so we can plug it into the equation. So a is going to be always the first one if it's set in standard form. So there's an imaginary 1 right here, so it's going to be 1. B is going to be 2. And c is going to be negative 3. So now we have our a, b, and c values. So now we can plug this all into the equation and get our answer. So we're going to rewrite this. X equals negative 2 plus or minus the square root, and then b squared, so 4 minus, I'm going to write this one out because it's a little long, 4, and then a is 1, and then c is negative 3, all over 2a. So now we need to simplify this down. So x equals negative 2 plus or minus the square root, and then let's simplify this down. So 1 times negative 3 is negative 3 times negative 4 is going to be positive 12. So it's going to be 4 plus 12 all over. And then 2a, 2 times a is 1. So, sorry, 2 times 1 is 2, all over 2. Okay, now we need to simplify this even further. So 4 plus 12 is 16. Negative 2 plus or minus the square root of 16 all over 2. And this is x equals. So now that we have this, we already know the square root of 16, which is 4. So you're going to do negative 2 plus 4 and negative 2 minus 4 over 2, because remember it's still all over 2a, but we got the plus and minus from negative 2 plus and then the square root of 16, which is 4, and then negative 2 minus 4. So negative 2 plus 4 is 2 over 2, and negative 2 minus 4 is going to be negative 6 over 2. So now we can do our x equals, what is up here? This is going to be 1, and this is going to be negative 3, and you always want to put the lesser number first. So negative 3, comma 1 is our answer.